How to tag photos in Instagram. So to tag photos, first you have to open up your Instagram application. And after opening, go to the plus icon which is on the bottom middle side. And now choose a photo that you would like to add. After choosing, tap on the arrow which is on the upper right corner. And then again tap on the arrow. And now you can choose a filter. And after choosing the filter, you can tap on the upper right corner which has the arrow. And now if you want to tag someone, then you will have the option tag people. Tap on that, and then you have to make friends to invite someone. For now I don't have any friends. And then search for the person whom you would like to tag. For example, I'll be choosing this person. And after tagging that, you can tap on the upper right corner which has the tick icon. And after tagging, you can tap on the upper right corner which has the arrow. And that's it. That's how you tag people on your Instagram post. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.